let's take a look at how to fix your Ninja blender if the lid won't go on or won't snap down. This can be so frustrating. Like, you're putting it on there, you're ready to blend, and it's just not willing to close. So what's going on with this? Turns out it's a really simple fix, but it's not obvious. And what it is if you look at the top of your Ninja blender, these corners are just rounded, but this one's actually a little spout. Now, if you look at the lid of your Ninja blender, this side here is the spout. And this is not obvious. Again, but if you put the spout on one of the corners, then it's gonna refuse to close. So what you're gonna wanna do is just make sure that the spout on the base is aligned with the spout on the top, and then you'll be totally fine to click down and close, no issue at all on that. So again, just make sure that those two are aligned and you are good to go with closing the lid on your Ninja blender.